Free versus paid WordPress templates. Free templates. Advantages. Cost-effective, no initial investment required. Sufficient for simple sites, good for small, simple websites or personal blogs. Community support. Many free themes are supported by a community of users. Disadvantages. Limited features, often lack advanced features and customization options. Less unique, more likely to be used by many websites, reducing uniqueness. Limited support. Support is often community-based and not as reliable as premium support. Fewer updates. Free themes may not be updated as frequently, potentially causing compatibility issues with WordPress updates or plugins. Paid templates. Advantages. Advanced features, more features, customization options, and premium plugins. Unique design, less commonly used, giving your website a more unique look. Dedicated support, access to professional support and detailed documentation. Regular updates. Frequent updates ensure compatibility with the latest WordPress version and plugins. Disadvantages. Cost, requires an initial investment. Complexity, sometimes, the advanced features may be overwhelming for beginners.
Recommendation. For a business website, investing in a paid template is generally advisable. The advantages of customization, support, regular updates, and advanced features can significantly enhance the professional appearance and functionality of your site. This is particularly important for a business as it helps in maintaining a strong online presence, ensuring reliability, and providing a better user experience.
Thank you for watching our video.